Hi, I'm Robert Fitzsimmons, Product Manager here at CrossRoads RV of Zinger and Volante. We're going to dive in and take a look at some of the features our products have to offer. Looking at the Volante 251BH, it's a new floor plan in the Volante fifth wheel lineup. It weighs in at 7,200 pounds or less and offers a lot of sleeping space for you and your family, even on a small unit. Looking at your living room slide out, this area not only gives your family a space to relax and gather, but easily doubles as a great area to sleep additional people comfortably. Moving to look at our bunk area, you'll find two oversized bunk beds, privacy curtain, USB and 110 charging stations, and a weight rating of 300 pounds per bunk. In the master bedroom, you'll find a walk-around bed with plenty of space. As you can see in the Volante 251BH, it not only gives you a great lightweight fifth wheel, but also provides you and your family dedicated sleeping space.